making a grid, you are going to need certain materials. You're going to need a ruler. I suggest one with a cork back because it's easier to hold it where you need it to hold. A triangle is a good idea because that way you can make sure that you get square. That's how you square up things. You set the triangle against the ruler, and where those two meet is going to be a 90-degree angle. And that's usually what you want to work with. So you need those things. If you're going to do something within a circle, you're probably going to need a compass. And to draw your grid, you're usually going to want to use a lightweight pencil. For those of you who aren't familiar with pencil weights, they go from 9H at one side, so 9H is over here, to 9H on the other side, 9B on the other side. And the B's are dark. And you go progressively dark, and 9B is as dark as you can possibly get. And 9H is as light as you can possibly get. And then in the middle, they have a whole bunch called F, H, and B, sort of medium weights. You want to stick to the light side to make your grid because you don't necessarily want to see the lines. You don't want to end up with an outline of your grid like this. So you use a light pencil to make the grid so that you can erase it later and you don't have this big grid sitting there in the middle.